Hi everybody, Ms Belanger here in my living room with my dog Maddie. Welcome to a new week. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're being safe. Today's activity is yoga, but before we start, I'd like to give a shout out to these students. Caden, Austin, Riley, Alyssa, Matthew and Adam, Avant, Tobias, Jermaine, Thomas, Eric, Sierra, Emma, and Jacob. You are the students that have been communicating with me, and I want to give you a thumbs up. You all rock, and you are gold medal winners. Thank you, and I hope you continue to communicate with me, because I like hearing from you. All right, so let's get started with yoga. We're going to do some yoga poses and some yoga stretches. I'm going to do them for 10 seconds, each of them, and I hope you follow along with me. Okay, here we go. Tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab your leg for scale. Try to do it all by yourself, but if you have to hold on to something, you can. Like if I have to hold on to Maddie, I can hold on to Maddie. Thanks, Maddie. And then you can do it with the other leg as well. Good, okay. Warrior. Front leg bent, back leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Warrior with the other leg in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The bend over stretch. Oh, Maddie's doing it with me. Good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maddie likes to do yoga with me. I'm so glad she's doing it. Plank. Or Ms Belanger calls this bridge. 1, 2, hi buddy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down to cobra. Stretch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good girl. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Downward dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maddie, nice stretch. Roll the ball. Roll down and up and down and sit on your dog. Good girl. V-sit. You can do V-sit with your knees bent, or you can try to stretch your legs out. Balance on your butt. If you fall on your back, come back up and balance on your butt. Okay. Crisscross applesauce stretch. Turn. And then the other stretch. Turn. And legs straight out. Stretch forward. And done. And I know there's a lot more out there, a lot of stretches and yoga poses, those are just a few of the many that you can do and the many that we've done in class. So please join me and Maddie and let's get some good stretching in, and I hope you have a great day and a great week. Thanks, everybody.